This clip is totally AI generated, like the script, the images used, and the voiceover. Hope that this small clip will inspire all of you, teachers and trainees alike, to utilize and use technology in education for the benefits of our students. Let us start. Light travels in a straight line. Yes, light travels in a straight line in a uniform medium, like air, vacuum, or glass with constant density. For this simple experiment, you will need a piece of cardboard with 3 small holes in a straight line, a flashlight, and a dark room. Put the flashlight at one end and your eye at the other end. You will only see the light if all holes are aligned, showing that light travels in a straight line. Now, slightly misalign one hole. You'll no longer see the light. Only when holes are in a straight line, light reaches the eye. Thank you. Prepared by b.ed, Nongbsap, et, and MD branch, d.ed.ed.